Hi guys, now this video I am going to show you some of the things I made. Now this house I got from Big Lots about a couple years ago. I don't know if I have them anymore. The base is the bottom of a wooden craft box. I just painted blue. The blue I mixed with some black and white and island blue. And then I'm going to go in here and show you I added this anchor. The anchor is a charm from a bracelet chain that I got. And then I put on the jute string, just glued it on the base. Okay, now over here I used the lid, and the sand was a powdered drink mix. I used the tea. The castle I got from Dollar General, and the other piece that I got from where I work. Now over here, this container was put together already, and all I did was add some styrofoam and painted it. This is white with some brown, and I just lightened it up and toned it up with white. Okay, there you go, my nice little beach scene. Okay, now we're going to go over here to the fairy gardens I did. First of all, I'm going to show you the kit. Okay, there it is. Now let's see, let's turn it over. I had got this from the dollar store too. Okay, you can see it was $5. Alright, now back to the project. It's a very easy project to make. Just get some wooden planks and moss. I got the moss in a kit. It had birch and all this other colored moss with it. See the different tones, greens and brown, and a light tan. The houses I got from Dollar General. Let's get in closer so you can see the detail. There. You see the little bridge. Now I especially am liking the bird bath. That is so cute. Let's get a little closer, you can see it. Now behind here, you see I used the arch that came from the gnome set and the other piece that I got from Dollar General. The base I got from work. It had tiny little pinwheels in it, and I just painted it, the styrofoam. So I could cover all the holes, I used a citrus green and some white. Let's get a little closer in here so you can see it. The fairies having fun in their teeter-totter. And a cute little water spigot thing. And over here, this was a fairy kit. Okay, let's get in here. Let's show you the cute little house. Our little fairy. Let's get in focus here. Okay, there you go. And there's a little welcome. There. Okay. Let's bring it out. Okay. Please let me know in the comments what you think and subscribe. Once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next craft project. Thank you for watching as always.